Hello, so here's this trending app which is called Finch Self-Care Widget Pad. In this video, let's just go through the overview of this app, which I think is really amazing. You can see star rating, 5 stars, 34,000 ratings, which happens very rarely. And people are really writing truly great app. It's amazing. You can see the number of 5-star ratings. So why this app is going so popular and in top charts? Let's just go through it. So I think that the main feature why it's spiked up in popularity, first because you can add this widget. Of course, there are so many self-motivation, self-confidence, daily tracker apps, but they rarely have this widget feature where basically starting from iOS 13 you can add widget to your home screen, and then all the app is basically a widget. You don't need to open app every day. For example, in your daily motivational journal, go to the app, track all the progress. It just becomes really hard and annoying on the day 3, and if you're lazy, really, it's too much or something like that. But here, it's also everything is displayed in the widget, and it makes it super easy to use and very fun and very cool. So it's basically self-care journal, and which has this Finch pad, which you can give a name to, and this pad kind of is your personal coach, which helps you to log your mood, motivate yourself, set some aims, boost your mood, and fix all these issues. So meet your new self-care best friend. Finch is a self-care pet app that helps you feel prepared and positive one day at a time. Take care of your pet by taking care of yourself. Best daily self-care app. A lot of positive reviews. Start mornings with quick mood checks and energize your pet to go exploring. Choose from a variety of quick mindful habits, from goal tracking and bullet journaling to mindful breathing exercise and quizzes. There are a lot of mindful exercises like goal tracker. You can set up goals, bullet journaling, set up some bullet journals to clear mind, breathing exercises, quizzes, mood trackers, quotes. So you can read motivational quotes to lift your mood and gain new perspective, sleep, insights, and all of that. So let's just open the app and I will guide you how it looks like. I must say I did an overview of this app a few months ago, and now they added so many new features. So I just feel I just need to do another quick preview of the app. So here is the home screen. It says Baby Rocky. So what's that? That's basically my pet name. So I can just type in the gear icon top left. And here I can change pet name. So that's my pet name. I can have pet pronouns. I can add my birthday, my email, waking hours, sounds, add all of these details. Of course, I think you can do all of that when you create an account easily. You can also invite friends, and all of that. So basically, this is the my pet, and then I have all these features like soundscapes, movements, breeze, goals. So goals of the day. I can set up a goal for today. So I avoid YouTube after 9 p.m. I just want to add that goal and tap done. And after all of that, I can also set up reminders. And the more this stuff I do, the more energy my self-care pad gets. So I can add some trees. I can add, I don't know. There are so many features in this app, so it feels like a game. So, for example, if you want to invite someone, you can just add there in the tree. Then there are all these like rain soundscapes which you can try. Then you can also write these reflections like, you know, as like some self-journaling, and then you just get energy. So that's that. And then for all of these like mental exercises you do, your self-care pet, Finch, or how you name it, he just gets energy. Then there are a lot of quizzes. You can, if you do the quiz, it's like 20 energy points. If you want to do some more advanced quizzes, you will need to upgrade, and then you'll just need to upgrade in more other occasions. So 7-day free trials, then $39.99 per year, or just $3 per month. So that's not bad, right? That's a standard plan. So either 12 months, $39.99, or monthly $5.99 every month. Try 3 days free, or 7 days free with 12 months. Cancel anytime in App Store. Of course, yeah, you can cancel anytime, but if you want to really try it out and then probably cancel, remember to cancel at least 1 day before trial ends. So if you select 7 days free trial, you need to cancel at the latest at the 6 days, after 6 days, because if you cancel after 7 days, usually in the App Store you will still be charged. So that's just a quick note. But anyways, if you're using to upgrade in this cool app, you can unlock all 100 plus exercises, goals, quizzes, movements, breathing, reflections, more insights in Rocket Mailbox, access to Rocket Times, I don't know what that is, customize the apps, daily shop deals, support our mission, and all of that. So that's basically it. Then there are like movements, morning stretches. So if you do that, you get 3 of energy. Then first aid. So if you want to ground yourself from anxiety or something like that, or, you know, like quick breathing, you can do it here. Soundscapes, movements, quizzes, we went through that. Reflections, breathe. So if you can just do focus breathing, unwind breathing, distress breathing. So then there is like calm breathing. So for example, then you can just do inhale, hold, exhale. So something like that, and then you can just start here. So it's pretty cool. This app is like, you know, how they call it, like Swiss Army knife with all these features which you can try out and feel better. Then there are goals, and then you can see all of these insights for your previous days. You will have like your goals, your reflections, you can correct them, and all your journaling. And then here is your self-care widget. You can see the energy level, you can see the personality based on what stuff you do, what is your mood. Rocky's personality will grow based on his chats with you and about his adventures. And then his personality will influence the adventures Rocky chooses to go on, discoveries, and all of that. So that's kind of cool. Then there is also a shop, as I understand, daily adventures, daily gifts. So you can also invite friends here. Earn 600 rainbow stones for each friend who joins with your invite code. So I can just share this invite code or copy that. So here you see this is my invite code. You can use it to sign up to the app, and I'll get some perks, and probably you get that. So let's just share it here. So app.bfinch.com/share/8fbn. and then you can use my invite code. So something like that. And of course, then you can just also upgrade to Finch Plus, Rocky Smile Box, personalized newsletters. Yeah, in this app, it almost feels like for me, it's too much. Like everything is here. So that's maybe, I mean, if you like it, that's great. Just having everything in one app. For me, sometimes it's just my personal reflection. It's better when you have just like one to three features, which are really good. And I'm just like using them and that's it. But yeah, in this app, you just have everything. So that's pretty cool as well. There is Facebook groups. You can follow Instagram, on TikTok. I think this app went viral on TikTok or so because it's like in the top charts. And right now, sometimes just like few viral clips on TikTok and the app can really skyrocket in the App Store. Then you can create save file, which is quite important to recover your current Finch app state if you change fonts or install the app in the future. Finch only saves your content locally for maximum privacy. We cannot recover your data if it is lost and there is no save file. And then you can just save that, send it to your email or something, or I don't know, like same in your iCloud or just on your device. And then you can load save file and then you just need to choose it. But then, okay, let's just go to the main feature. Add Rocky widget to the home screen. So you just need to add that. So touch and hold the home screen until your apps juggle. Tap the plus button either in top left or top right. Select Finch and then just add widget. So I will just show you how it looks like. So here's, for example, I have a lot of apps, but anyways, if we tap and hold and then I just want to search for Finch, and here's the Finch self-care widget. There is big widget, there is small widget. I can select this one and then I will just have an overview. So that's why this app I think is pretty viral, because you just have like a reminder right on your home screen that how is your progress is going today. And then it motivates you to open this app a few times a day and just have some self-reflection, focus on your goals. Yeah, so something around that. So that's how this app works. And that's why it's kind of pretty popular because of this widget. There are also other apps which went viral with widgets like Locket widget, Noted, Drawing app, some other apps which are utilizing this really cool feature. But yeah, and that's how I think it works. Instead of going to the self-journal app, like opening an app, you just have this cool widget. Maybe this path is moving or it changes depending on your like energy level, on the progress on the task you make. But there you have it. You can just put it on your main home screen. I didn't put it there because I'm just showing you the demo. But yeah, you can just put it on your main first home screen page on iPhone, and like you just have this like self-care widget, and you can kind of feel that yeah, everything is okay. Here is this Finch widget, like this path, like he helps me to motivate myself, and I'm trying to focus to do these things, and this is how I'm doing today. So this is just like a different approach, unconventional approach to these problems, to not just problems, just like trying to stay more focused, more motivated, and yeah, this app probably can help you a lot with that. So that's just my insight why I think this is a cool app to try out and why it's going so popular. So definitely give it a try, even if you want upgrade. So yeah, other than that, thank you a lot for watching, for checking it out, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out my TikTok, my website, and see you in the next videos.